Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. In today's video, I am going to be doing 2 installs, but before I get into that, I did want to share a little bit about my brand, Better Tomorrow. In case you guys missed it, I did recently launch my brand, and this is one of the shirts. I have released this in a black and in a cream color, so if you guys are interested in purchasing one, I'll have it linked down below. And we have other goodies too. We have stickers, air fresheners, and then a jet tag, so if you guys want to pick one up, like I said, I'll have the link down below. But the whole idea behind my brand, it's supposed to be a reminder that even though you may have a bad today, you will have a better tomorrow. You're in full control of your actions, and with discipline, anything is possible. So that's the whole idea behind my brand. I hope you guys like it, and my shirt quality is pretty good. I've got pretty good reviews from a lot of people telling me that they really like it. It's a very heavyweight t-shirt. It does fit slightly oversized. I'm wearing a small and the sleeves are kind of big, so it does fit a little bit oversized. I really like the neckline. It's pretty thick, if you guys can see. The quality is there, and that's what I wanted. I didn't just want to get a random shirt and just throw on a logo and just sell it. I really wanted to be proud of what I put out there. We do want to launch some sweaters hopefully soon, and then some sweats, shorts. We want to throw out some more things. We just kind of wanted to get the ball rolling. But yeah, make sure to check us out. Follow us on Instagram at bettertomorrow.co. So in today's video, I am going to be doing 2 installs. I'm going to be installing some headlights that got sent to me by Rally Sport Direct. Thank you so much, Rally Sport Direct. If you guys are on their website, make sure to use my code STILIZ for 10% off. As you guys know, I have had the Subispeed headlights, the V2 Redline edition. I've had them for a couple years now, and I love them. They are very bright, and I just love the way that they look when they're turned on. But as you guys know, I recently wrapped my car, and now it's a very light pink color by Vinyl Frog. It is the color Piggy Pink. So if you guys are interested, I'll have it linked down below too, and you can also use my code STILIZ for a discount. Now that I have wrapped it, I feel like I wanted to kind of change some things around. So I'm starting off with my headlights, and I'm gonna be switching them to the Subispeed headlights. I feel like it'll just match a lot better, so I'm gonna be throwing those on today. And then I am also gonna be throwing on a new lip, because if you guys follow me on Instagram, you must have seen that I broke my lip once again, and I'm so sad, but it is what it is. It's all part of the game. I was driving on the freeway one night, and there was construction, and then as soon as the construction ended, everybody kind of picked up speed, and I didn't see that there was a cone in the middle of the road, and it was kind of like smushed, but still, I mean, my car's pretty low, so the car in front of me passed over it. I didn't see, obviously, and then right after he passed, I saw it, and I was like, oh, I couldn't swerve or anything, so I hit it, and it basically broke my lip. So that's that. I'm happy that I have a new one. I'm gonna be throwing it on again, and I'm gonna try to be careful this time, but it's inevitable, things happen. That's what we're gonna be doing today, and I am gonna be going to my friend Lonzo's shop out in Fontana, or Colton actually. So I'm gonna be driving out there. It is 3 o'clock. I was kind of waiting for the sun to kind of start going down because it's gonna be super hot out there. So I'm probably gonna head over in a little bit. I am gonna take the lip in my car, but the box isn't gonna fit, so I think I'm just gonna open it up and just take the lip, put my seats down, and just kind of angle it in there. I already have my headlights in there, and it's a pretty big box, so I'm gonna try my best to squeeze it in. I'm excited. I'm also gonna be throwing on something else, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. It's a surprise. Lonzo's helping me with it, so that's why I'm also going today. We're gonna get started on that. I'll have that video out later, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box and load up the lip into my car and head over to Lonzo's shop. Okay guys, so I loaded up my car. I have the headlights, big old box, and then I have my lip, which barely fit, goes all the way back to my trunk, but hey, it's fine. It's in the car, and that's all that matters. I stopped by for some McDonald's. I'm gonna eat on my way to Lonzo's shop, and I'm getting some gas right now because I had a quarter and it's kind of a far drive. I'm also gonna be throwing on the roof vortex generator. The one that I had basically broke in half. I guess I didn't stick it on good enough. I honestly, every time I would wash my car, I would see that it would like lift up a little bit. So that's on me, but half of it literally flew off. So I took off the other half and I ordered a new one, so I'm just gonna throw that on with some 3M tape, and hopefully this will last me longer. I'm gonna get on the road once I finish pumping gas, and I should be there around like 4:30, maybe 5-ish. Just got to Lonzo's shop and the power went out, so we're like at super low energy. So we can't use the lift, but it's okay. We're not gonna need it for the headlights. I kind of needed it for the lip, but it's fine. We'll do it the old school way. Hopefully the power comes back soon, that way we don't struggle. We're gonna go ahead and take off the bumper and then remove the headlights and then throw on the new ones. I like these, but I feel like the white ones are gonna look better, especially because it's like a clear lens. Alright guys, so here are the headlights. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. They're beautiful. So the Subispeed headlights, and then compared to the V2, which is what I have, but I feel like this will definitely match a little bit more because my car is so light now. But yeah, I'm gonna be throwing these on. It comes with the wiring and everything, so I'm gonna start off by taking off my bumper and then we'll throw them on.
Pulling power, we're getting the same signal as the black one, which is technically ground, so we're gonna make
the yellow one's the one that's the
power. So ground from this one, you just squish it and you close it. So if it is ground, then we just tap this on the power just to get power and everything, and it should just signal.
Yay! Okay guys, so we were trying to figure out the turn signals, but Lonzo helped me out.
It had 2 spare wires, and they were
the
blue and
the
yellow, which, I mean, we're kind of confused about those colors. Usually they do black and red, you know, for black ground and then red
power.
But we just found out that blue's ground, so we tapped into ground on the harness. And right now I'm just testing power on the battery. So
and voila.
We're gonna tap the yellow one onto the signal wire, so we just gotta figure out which one the signal wire is now.
Yeah, we're gonna test it. He's gonna help me figure out which one is the signal so we can tap into it. Yay! Looks so good. It's a lot harder than I thought. I honestly thought it was plug and play, but it's more work, but thank God I have Lonzo. So we're tapping into the wire here and gotta close it. There you go. Woohoo! So that's gonna be for your signal. So just make sure, connect the yellow into the orange.
This is the adapter from the STIs to WRXs. So I'm not sure if this adapter is the same colors for like
the other ones.
Other brands.
Got it. But if you have an STI and you have the adapter that's converting the pins, we tapped the yellow cable into this orange cable, if you can see that. And then obviously the blue one just goes to any ground, which it could be any black one here. So yeah, that's basically it, and that would be for your blinker. So right now I have my hazards on, but I have this feature, that's why it's blinking this way, but I'll fix it. It should be regular, but yeah, that's that. And then other than that, that's basically it. Lonzo simplified my bezels because I had all this wiring over here just to connect my bezels, and Lonzo is so good at what he does that he simplified it. So now it's gonna be so clean and I'm not gonna have a bunch of wires back there. We're gonna do the same thing on this side, but we're doing one at a time, finding out which one's which. Alright guys, so we already put on the lights. They look good. We connected everything. Everything is working perfectly. I put the bracket back on, but I'm gonna throw on my lip now. So because the power was kind of out, we didn't put the car on the lift, and now it's too much work. So since the bumper's off, I'm just gonna throw on the lip. I feel like it'll be easier, but look at all these holes from all my previous lips. I'm gonna need a new bumper. So much damage. So now it's time to make some more holes. I'm gonna grab my lip and then throw it on so we could put the bumper back on, and we should be good to go. Okay, so I just unwrapped it and it looks so good. Look at this beauty. Special appearance, we got Alex. She's gonna help me. She's working on her 240. Stay tuned for the wrap. What color is it? Wait and see. And then we got the FRS over there. Like it?
Oh, nice.
It's gonna stay like this for like a day, and then it's gonna get all scratched out. I know, no more cracks. So I am done. I put the lip on, and then we got the new headlights. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good. Let me get my key so I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is gonna be with the DRLs on. They're still pretty bright. They're just like my other ones, but I really like how they look. They're not as blinding as the other ones, at least in person. On camera you could kind of still see that they're really bright, but in person it looks really good. And then my lip, let me take this off so you guys can see it. It looks so good. I love it. Alrighty guys, so this does conclude my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I installed my headlights and they look so good. I really love them. I can't wait to see them in the daytime too. And then I threw my lip back on, and I'm really glad that I did it here at Lonzo's shop because he helped me with all the wiring, so shout out to him. And then as I mentioned earlier, we were working on something special and I'm so excited. I haven't seen it just yet, so I'm actually gonna look at it right now. And yeah, we're gonna take a look. You guys aren't gonna see until the next video, so stay tuned. But you guys get to see my reaction. All right, we're gonna see what Lonzo has been working so hard on. Oh, I'm so excited.
All right.
Right there?
Yeah, you good? Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're lying. It looks so
It looks so
good.
good.
It looks mean, but in a cute way.
Yeah.